Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Little Big Planet 2. To begin your adventure, you will need a PlayStation 3 console. Make sure it is connected to your television and a power source. You will also need a copy of the game, either physical or digital, and a working PlayStation 3 controller. Once everything is set up, you are ready to dive into the imaginative world of Craftworld. Controlling your Sackboy or Sackgirl is quite intuitive. Use the left analog stick to navigate through levels. Press the X button for a quick jump, or hold it down to leap higher and reach distant platforms. The R1 button allows you to interact with various objects in the environment, while holding R2 lets you grab and pull items, essential for solving puzzles and progressing. Little Big Planet 2 truly shines in its Create mode, offering an expansive toolkit to build anything you can imagine. You can design intricate levels, minigames, or even cinematic experiences. Experiment with hundreds of materials, gadgets, and stickers to bring your ideas to life. Save your unique creations to play by yourself or enjoy them locally with up to 3 friends. The Adventure mode in Little Big Planet 2 offers a captivating journey across 6 unique worlds, each filled with imaginative levels and memorable characters. Progress through the story, defeat the Negativatron, and collect hundreds of prize bubbles to expand your creative inventory. Seek out hidden areas and complete special challenges to earn valuable pins and trophies, enhancing your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.